I'm aware that APC is in court. They have an issue they're sorting out in the court. And reasonably, if they are not here, is because they are in court. Probably they want the court to take its order first before they will come. For any other party who is not here, reserves the right not to be involved. And that right is respected. If any party feels he or she or the representative are not, they don't want to be part of what is going on in Rivers State, they have the right to be withdrawn. But I can assure you that we have more than 16 political parties who are standing tall, who are here today, and who are ready to participate in this election. And the unfortunate incident that happened on that very day is a novelty of sensational and emotional disconcert. The Inter-Party Advisory Council expressed her dismay about the unfortunate incident. Outrightly, it was uncalled for. There was no need for that protest because the state is in peace. The state is well governed by a seasoned governor. And so that purported protest was masterminded to disrupt the peace and tranquility we have in Rivers State. And then you also found the IED exploded. We are not happy as citizens of Rivers State. We are not happy as IPAC, Inter-Party Advisory Council. We are not happy that such masterminded acts will occur in Rivers State. And the worst of it is the quietness of the security agents, right from the IGP, the NSA, the Commissioner of Police, and other agencies. It is expected that by proactiveness, a statement should have been made by now. It is expected that for fairness, equity, and for due diligence, a statement ought to have been made by now. And so the Inter-Party Advisory Council is outrightly dismayed. And then we are calling immediately that let these agencies responsible for the security of lives and properties of Rivers State and in Nigeria should, as a matter of urgency, come up with a statement, because we want to know what happened. We want to know who did that, and we want to know why that was done. We want to know why such an explosive will be brought into the state, and that is to undermine the peace we have in Rivers State, to discredit the governor of Rivers State as Fubra. Therefore, we are not happy about it. We want the agencies to take up responsibilities and come off tough. Apprehend the perpetrators. Protesting is a civil disorder. But we want that. We saw policemen guiding the protesters. Why? It's a question every rational citizen of this state is asking. And then you have an explosion. And up till now, we've not heard any categorical statement. We therefore use this medium to call on the authorities to make a statement to this effect.